Hey guys, just a really quick video. It's that time of year, it's fall. Kids are passing germs around and pathogens. And I just want to give y'all some quick tips on how you can prevent those, and if not prevent them, at least shorten the time frame down of how long your kids are sick. And these are based on Chinese medical principles, and it's just about the nature of kids. And one of those natures of kiddos is that their defensive energy and their energy in general is just weak. And that's what makes them more susceptible to pathogens. And if that's true, when they catch things, then you need to allow them to at least rest. That way they can have a better chance of fighting them off quicker, because they're energetically weak, or they already have this inherent weakness until we get a certain age. This is what happens. And another principle that happens with kids is they're more susceptible to wind. And basically what you can do to help them, since they are more susceptible to wind, especially if it's cold outside, is to have them wear something around their neck, scarves, or at least something on their head. And that way that'll keep the odds of them getting sick lower than normal, especially if the wind is blowing cold outside. That's another principle that you can use. Another thing with kids, their nature is that their digestive energy is weak, and it's weak till a certain age. And what that means is basically with the weak digestion in Chinese medicine, you turn what you eat sometimes, or not sometimes, but you have a tendency to turn things into phlegm and congestion and dampness. And where do kids usually have this chronic drainage? And a lot of times it's not due to infection or allergies. It's due to a weak digestive tract, because it's clear and it's runny and it just keeps coming. So what can you do to prevent that? Is basically decrease the dairy, decrease cold drinks. Sugar can make that. Fruit juices can make that. And start introducing some warmer foods. It's fall time, so we need warmer foods. Warm cereals, if they're able to do grains in the morning, can also help. Cook the vegetables. Those are just some quick tips that can help with that. Something else that can help is to use Jade Defense formula. The Chinese and Japanese have been using it's called Jade Defense. It's a formula, low level, about usually 3 to 4 herbs, depends on if it's modified. And using this formula daily, you can basically prevent your kids from catching things that are going around. So Jade Defense is another good thing. So try those tips, give it a whirl, and let me know how that works for you. You guys be good, and thanks.